Welcome to our Excel training. Before printing a document in Microsoft Excel, when we look at the dominant view, we may need to make adjustments to the widths of the columns. When we press Ctrl+P in the sample table and you come to the dominant view screen, when you turn the wheel, you will see that one row of the data here does not fit, and similarly, the columns on the side do not fit. There is a very nice feature in Excel to make such adjustments. All you need to do is click the Show Margins button in the lower right corner of the screen, and in the column widths that open, you can adjust the widths of the columns as you wish. Using this, you can easily make such adjustments before printing your lists, before saving them to PDF. For example, when I turn the wheel, look, one row is left out again. So when you come from here and make a slight adjustment, when you play from the top and bottom, you will see that these adjustments are made. Another point you should pay attention to is that when you turn the wheel, your titles appear on the first line on the screen but do not appear on the following pages. To do this, we exit here. After coming to the page layout view, click on the Print Titles button here, and in this page setup screen that opens, click on the Roast Repeat Stage box, and then click on the line where our title is, or you can click on any cell. When you do Print Preview, when you look at the Print Preview, you will see that your headings are now on every page. If you need to color the headings separately, we can select here and then give our headings a color by using the cell styles in the Home tab. You can also make arrangements in this way. The Show Margin section on the right side of the screen in Print Preview is very useful when printing your documents and checking them before printing. In this way, you can adjust the widths of the columns as you wish. If you need to save this document as a PDF, you need to click on the Printer section and select the Microsoft Print to PDF option here. After selecting this, when you press the Print button, you can save your document as a PDF by giving the name of your PDF file in a file.